Hey friends, so it is almost time to leave milk and cookies out for Santa, but we can't forget about his reindeer. So I decided to make some reindeer food, and I had found these jars in the Bullseye section at Target. There's natural colored ones, and then there's some with the red lids. And then I also got these cute little vintage looking reindeer at Target as well. I pick these up every year for projects. I love them. So I originally grabbed these jars for my hot cocoa bar, which look for that video soon. I am working on that. But I had the idea for the reindeer food. So the first thing I did was I took the little hook off the top of these reindeer because they are ornaments. So I took those off with just some needle nose pliers, and then I am going to glue those to the top of my lids. I just used my hot glue gun, and then actually before I did that I added my reindeer food. Now you can put whatever you want in your reindeer food. It's just basically oats and glitter, and the glitter helps the reindeer find their way to your house when you put out the food in your yard the night before Christmas. So I actually add the glitter separately. That way, if I have leftover oats, I can put those back in my container. So I like to use chunky glitter, but I didn't have any of that, so I had to use my fine glitter. So you'll see I had to use a little bit more in there so it would show up. So once I did that, then I got to gluing my reindeer to the top of the lids of my jars. And again, I just used my hot glue gun and got to gluing these cute little reindeer. And then after that, I'm going to add some ribbon around the top. You'll see here in just a minute. And then once I get done with that, I realized that reindeer also like peppermints. So you'll see here in just a minute that I ended up adding some crushed up peppermints to my jars. And that is it, reindeer food. I hope you like this project. If you want to see more, make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.